What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making some chicken chow mein. So let's check out these ingredients. Got the griddle warming up. Let's go. So we got some chow mein noodles right here. Cooked them up and they're just in a ice bath right now. We got about a pound of chicken right here that's cut up into slices, and we got salt, pepper, and olive oil on that. We got some bell peppers. That's green, red, orange, and yellow. Then we got one white onion. That's all that stuff. And then this is the sauce right here. This is everything we got in the sauce. That's some good stuff. So yeah, let's just get it going. Got some oil down, some peanut oil. So we're going to start off with the veggies. I got this really up there really good right now. We're at 450. I'm trying to make this a short cook for you guys. There we go. Just starting off with the veggies. Got the onion. We got the green, yellow, red, and orange bell pepper. Just trying to get this done nice and quick. You see this stuff is already starting to brown. There we go. Give them onions a little chop. There we go. Boom. So these are good. Just gonna let these things go, heat up, get a nice char on them. All right, let's go on. Get this chicken going. Now this is, like I said, 1 pound of chicken breast cut up and put some olive oil and some salt and pepper on there, and that's it. So just gonna put all this stuff on. Kind of separate it a little bit, make it a little easier for when I go to flip it. Boom. All right, that's it. That stuff is getting pretty close to being done already on that side, it looks like. All right, let's see how we're doing on this. Oh, baby. Yes. All right. This first piece. Oh yeah, it's already starting to get nice and white. It's gonna give it a minute. Just to make sure. Then we're gonna flip it. Check it out. Alright, so the chicken is almost done. The veggies are pretty much done. So I'm going to kill my left burner. I have the other 3 on high. So I'm just going to turn this up real quick and just push it over to the side and let it chill out over there. It'll cook a little bit more and we're okay with that. Now the chicken, there are some of these chunks that are, pretty big. So I'm just going to take my spatula, just cut them up real quick. It's a good thing about these, the heavy-duty Blackstone spatulas. It's super easy to cut stuff with, and I really, really like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut a few pieces up, make sure we're good, and then I'm gonna stir this stuff up, and then, just mix it together, that kind of stuff. Yeah. Just like so. This chicken is almost done, Mike. It's pretty darn close. So I'm just gonna let this go for another minute, and then we're gonna combine, get the noodles going, get the sauce going. Ooh. This chicken is done. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna combine the veggies over here. Let's just mix this stuff up. Ooh. Baby, this is looking so good. We're ready to throw these noodles on. Gonna just put a little bit more oil down. Let's mix that up. Spread it around a little bit. All right. Just dump these on. Now there is a little bit of ice. A little bit of ice on there from that ice bath. That's no problem. Ooh, buddy. So this is just, just your standard chow mein noodle. It comes in a package, and yeah, just cook it in some boiling water. Just let these things heat up and get some of that moisture to evaporate. I'm gonna turn this burner back on. So I want to make sure we get all that, not all of it, but most of that moisture out of there. Yes. So when we start getting these little marks where it's like sticking, that's what I want. Scrape some of that off. Great flavor from that. All right. Yeah, buddy. Just let it go. Got me right in the face. All right, let's just let this stuff cook up, warm up. Give it about a minute. Then we're gonna mix it together and get going on this sauce. All right, these noodles are ready to go in the dish. Boom, just plop it right on in there with all this other goodness. Get all these stragglers. All right, let's mix this stuff up now. Now I turned my right burner off as well now. So my two, go ahead and kill the left. So my two burners in the middle are on high, and I'm gonna turn them down to low. Actually, I could probably just turn them off, but we're good. All right, now let's get going on the sauce, because I know that's what people wanna see. The best part about this dish. All right. Boom, let's just get this stuff in a pile. I am just gonna turn these off. Get some of this chicken over here. All right, boom. Let's do it. Let's start off with a little bit of this, what is it, chili garlic sauce. This stuff is super good. I put this in all my Asian dishes that I wanna make spicy. So let's do about a tablespoon and a half of that. Some soy sauce. That's about a tablespoon and a half of that. Buffalo sauce. A little bit of that. It's about a half a tablespoon. The teriyaki right here. I need to shake it up a little bit. There's sesame seeds in there, and they were all stuck on the top, so shake them up a little bit. Go. Put a little bit of that. We're gonna put, that's about 3 tablespoons of that. Little sesame oil. That's gonna be about a tablespoon or a teaspoon of that, and then a spoonful of some minced up garlic. A heaping spoon. All right, boom. Mix this stuff up. Man, this looks so good and it smells delicious. I'll tell you what. I'm about to dish this stuff up, clean up a little area. We're gonna try this bad boy. All right, let's dive into this. Ooh, I want all of it. Let me get some noodles. Not that many noodles. Let's cut a little bit. Get a little bit of noodles. Let's get some chicken, let's get some pepper. That is delicious. Ooh. That garlic in there, that is great. the spice from that chili garlic sauce. So good. Sesame oil. It's key to Asian dishes. It gives it like a taste that you would get at like the steakhouse. And the teriyaki, the sesame oil, you don't want to overdo it. A little bit goes a long way with that stuff. Really strong. The mixing of the teriyaki and the soy sauce gives it a really good, it's a great combination, because you got the sweetness from the teriyaki and then the sourness from the soy. Makes it really, really good. Yeah, I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Don't forget we're giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.